Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important this body is design, and this body is a bolt design. Okay, and this is isometric view is also available here, and this is a front view and this is a top view, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and guys, this is a isometric view and this is a final product is designed, and you can see here easily, and this is a front view and this is a right view, and both is a 2D 2D drafting, and this body is a drawing help of this 2D drafting. Okay, and this is a bolt design is very important. This is looking perfect, and okay guys, this body is looking perfect, and this is a very nice looking here, and this use a thread, and this body is drawing, and this also use a fillet. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this material is a chrome plate. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily. Okay, this part is a new part is created here at first, and some setting very important. Going to document property, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect, very high, and this body is looking perfect, and this plain white. Okay, all is perfect, and this setting this this unit is a millimeter gram second. Okay, double mm gs, and all is perfect. Okay, this is a drawing very nice, and at first drawing this is a length is 32 millimeter, and this distance is 10 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter, and radius is 3 millimeter and 7 millimeter, and this distance is 7 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, at first plane is created here, this front plane, and drawing a line is this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and drawing a line is a this, and this line is a perfect, and okay, this is a drawing a arc created here easily, and again drawing a arc because this is a arc is very nice, this is a very useful, and drawing a center line. Okay, and use this is a straight line is created here. Okay, and this is a vertical line and horizontal line, and not relation anyone, and this is a use this and use a connect to this. Okay, and this line to meet this is a connect each other. Okay, all is perfect, and this point and center point is a coincident. This is a okay, and all is perfect, and some dimension is a drawing here. Okay, and okay, and mention any dimension is this is a radius 7. Okay, and this is a radius 3 millimeter. Okay, and next is a, this is a radius 7 millimeter and this is a radius 3, and this distance is r. Okay, this is a length is a, okay, one point is this is a tangent, because this is also tangent, and use a, okay, and select this is a 5. Okay, and use this is a, okay, and this length is 5 and this length is 5 and this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and use this center point to this. Okay, okay, this length is perfect, and this length is okay. Okay, this length to this is a 7 millimeter. Okay, and this length to this is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and use this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and next is a, this is use a 32 millimeter. This is a perfect. Okay, this use a 32 millimeter, this to this. Okay, this distance is a 32 millimeter, and okay, this is a perfect, and okay, all is perfect, and select this. Okay, this bolt distance is 32 millimeter, and select okay, all is perfect. Okay, all is correct, and use this revolve boss and click this. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this bolt is ready, and this distance is also perfect, and some important point is discuss here. And this use a chamfer is a 0.5 multiply 45 degree angle, and this is a fillet is radius 0.5 millimeter, and this thread is a, and this chamfer is also 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this distance, and this is a correct, and this is a offset, this thread is offset, and okay, the offset is perfect, and 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and 1, okay, this is a correct. Okay, and at first fillet is 0.5 is this, and click OK, and okay, okay, this is a perfect, and this is chamfer is used 0.5 45 degree angle, and use a chamfer 0.5 and 45 degree angle, and use this to this, both is a select here and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and also chamfer is used here, and 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle, select this and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and next is a use here this length is a thread is a, this is a 30 is distance, and this offset is 3. Okay, m size is a m7 30 millimeter. Okay, this pitch is 30 millimeter, and okay, this pitch is 1 millimeter, because some m7 and pitch is a 1 millimeter, and this is offset. Okay, this is a perfect, and click a thread is used, okay, M7 and multiply 1 millimeter. Okay, and click okay. This is a perfect, and this distance is a 30 millimeter and offset is 1 millimeter and direction is okay. This is a perfect. Offset is a 3 millimeter and direction is perfect, and this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, this is 30 is better, 30, and okay, but some point is this is a 2 millimeter is also better. Okay, this is a perfect, okay, and 3 is nice. Okay, and this is a 3 millimeter is offset, and this distance is a thread length is 30 millimeter. Okay, and metric to die better, metric to die is perfect, and M7 multiply 1 is pitch and M7 is size, and this is a cut thread is okay, all is perfect, and click okay. Some little time is spent here because this thread is active is working, and okay, this is a perfect. This thread is a very nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect, and material is apply here. This is a chrome, this is a metal is this chrome is select here, and this body is perfect. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and isometric view is also better, and this is a perfect, okay, this body is looking perfect and correct. Okay, all is correct, and all is perfect, okay guys, I hope I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.